What if I told you there's a camera that can travel deep inside your body, inside 5-feet-long tube where cancer can grow silently for years, and you wouldn't feel a thing? It's called a colonoscopy, and this single procedure can catch cancer before it even becomes cancer. Here's what's really happening inside your body. A thin, flexible tube, called a colonoscope, is gently inserted through the rectum and guided through your entire colon. This isn't just a tube. At the tip, there's a high-definition camera, a powerful light, and tiny channels that can deliver air, water, and even surgical tools. As it moves forward, your colon begins to open up. Air is gently pushed inside, expanding the walls like a tunnel, and suddenly, your entire colon lights up on a screen. Every fold, every curve, every hidden detail. This is where everything changes. Because your doctor isn't guessing anymore. They're seeing, in real time, looking for ulcers, inflammation, bleeding, and most importantly, polyps, small growths, silent, harmless at first, but some of these are the very beginning of cancer. Sometimes, polyps were removed, a loop wraps around it, tightens, and an electric current cuts it off. Gone. No pain, no large incision, no second surgery. That's called a Snare polypectomy. The entire procedure usually takes 30 to 60 minutes. You're given a sedative, so you're relaxed, often asleep, a tiny sample of tissue, sent to a lab to answer one question: is this cancer or not? Results may take a few days, and based on what was found, your doctor decides when you need your next colonoscopy. 3 years, 5 years, 10 years? That decision could define your future. After the procedure, you wake up in recovery, you might feel a little bloated, maybe mild cramping. Complications are rare, but if you ever experience severe pain, fever, dizziness, or heavy bleeding after the procedure, that's not normal. You seek help immediately. So the next time you think, I feel fine, I don't need this, remember this: feeling fine doesn't mean nothing is growing inside you. And a single camera might be the difference between early prevention and a late diagnosis. If you want to understand how colon cancer actually develops step-by-step inside your body and the early warning signs most people miss, watch the next video and don't forget to subscribe.